Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to Not Too Shabby Chic. This is an episode of hashtag Crash Your Stash. Woo! I did a belly band a few days ago that I ruined with my heat gun, and I had to fix it. So I made another belly band and glued that pocket back on it. So I just wanted to share that quickly with you and thank everyone that has been participating. We've had some amazing ideas and I am so excited to see what will come next. So everyone, keep crafting, keep creating, keep crashing your stash, because that's what we should be doing. We are broke. It's after Christmas, but we have lots of stash that we can all use. Everyone has stuff. And so some may have more, some may have less, but we all have stuff. So let's crash that stash with cupcake liners and make belly bands. If you don't have cupcake liners, use what you have. You can use a candy wrapper, like on a Reese cup that someone used. You can use coffee filters someone used. I think I did a bonus prompt for February of purse and said you could also use that for this month too if you wanted to. But you can post all month long. We post on the first Friday of every month just to kick it off. The rest of the month we'll be posting, and we encourage you to post as well to crash your stash. Even if you don't use our prompts and you're using your stash, put the hashtag crash your stash so we can see what you are doing. We are going to come in strong in 2024 and for the entire year, crashing our stash and using what we have. I certainly have plenty to do that with. So let me show you how I made another belly band, and I like it better. Isn't it cute? So I did the molding paste, let it dry on its own. And I used this cupcake liner I got from Temu. It's a mini cupcake liner, and layered it in here for some interest and color. And we have God is Wild About You. And then I made this because I lost the other one, and I just put a little sticker. Isn't that cute? And it's a little journaling spot is all that is. And the green polka dots went nicely with this color. And the tag comes out, and you could back it if you wanted, or I just think it's pretty as is, but I guess it should be functional. And then the back, you just see the envelope. There's no pretty picture back there. But I'm happy with it. I love this more than I liked the other one I did. So that is how I corrected my melted belly band. I did a new one and now I'm on a roll wanting to do window envelopes with various things. I cut out another piece of envelope like this to do another belly band, and I've got lots of junk mail envelopes that I have saved, and I'll be making several belly bands over the next few days, so I'll be sharing some of those with you. Everybody be sure to create. Here in Tennessee we have snow like nobody's business. I want to show you some of my snow. This is out on my deck, and we are not used to this much snow. And this was taken a couple of hours ago, and it's still coming down. So it is beautiful. It is fun to look at. I'm going to be making me some snow cream. In case some of you don't know what that is, you get you a pot of snow and you mix some milk and some vanilla and some sugar, and you mix it all up and eat it, and it is divine. It's like the manna from heaven. So we will be making that today, and I will be working on organizing my craft room more. So a lot in store for me today. I hope you all stay safe, stay warm, and stay planted where you are, and crash your stash. And remember, you are loved. God loves you, and so do I. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.